I remember talking to you about buying your second truck.
Yeah.
So you were going from a one truck organization, you broke $1 million, right?
Yes.
When you started 4 years ago, were you thinking that you'd break $1 million at some point?
I was just a frontline employee, and I bought a mower, and I was driving around in a Jeep Liberty. I just said, if I'm gonna do this, I should just go in all the way, and I invested in a truck, a website. I dabbled into the snow, and now that I'm here, it's just the amount of revenue that we've built over the years, remarkable.
So how many trucks do you have now?
We have...
Check out the full episode at landscapersguide.com/podcast.